Hi, this is Chris Davis, the SlashGear Manager Community, and this is the new Samsung Galaxy NotePRO. It's what Samsung believes professional users or prosumers are looking for in a tablet. So, as you can see, it's larger than the average Note branded tablet, and that's because it has a 12.2-inch display running at a 2560 by 1600, same resolution as you would get on the Nexus 10, though obviously with a bigger display. And you also get Samsung's S Pen, which works just as it does on the regular Notes. So you have the usual kind of command. You can annotate and sketch and take screenshots. Samsung's changed the home screen layout. Samsung has given the new Galaxy NotePRO a new home screen layout, what it's calling the magazine UX, and it consists basically of three default panes. There's a personal pane, a business one, and an entertainment and multimedia one, and social. And each of these have different applications that you've used recently, downloads from the Samsung Hub, for instance, links to Google Plus or Twitter, applications that that you commonly use, your calendar and inbox, and then in the business side you have access to things like Samsung's new e-meeting app, which allows multiple NotePRO users to create a sort of impromptu work group and annotate documents together. Samsung's also going to be offering access to various different applications like Evernote and that kind of thing, and giving free copies of those, and what it's saying is a $700 package of different applications and downloads usable both for consumers and business users. Since you've got this huge high-resolution display, you can also make better use of it with different applications. So you can pull up this panel and load up various different windows, and you can have several of those going at the same time. Or you can long press and drag it out, and then have up to, just close that, have up to 4 different applications on the screen at any one time. And that means that you can basically, so you can have up to 4, it puts them in quadrants, and then using this control here you can adjust the size that each one takes up, so it makes multitasking a whole lot simpler. And one of the other things you get, if we just go into a document here, Samsung has a new keyboard as well, taking advantage of the bigger display size, and as you can see it looks a whole lot more like the traditional keyboard you might find with your PC. So you get the full numeric row there. You can use Control-C and Control-V for copy and paste, and it'll support multi-touch as well, so you can do modifiers like holding down Shift for capitals. There's also a remote PC app which will work with your PC or Mac and allows you to log in and use all of the applications that you would normally be using sat at your desk, but instead you can do them through the tablet screen, and unfortunately we haven't got that set up to actually show you. It'll work through both the Wi-Fi only version of the tablet, and also there will be an LTE version. The LTE version will use a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, whereas the Wi-Fi only will use one of Samsung's own Exynos chips, with 3 GB of RAM, high-resolution 11-pixel camera on the back. You've got a front-facing camera as well, and all of the usual camera applications software that Samsung includes on its larger phablets and phones.